Wow. Don't G. This is the world challenge. No matter who you are, stay home. Stay safe. Cause the virus is real. It take all over the nation. Yeah. Stay safe, my people. Let's do this, man.
Stay home, stay home, stay home, stay safe, stay safe, stay safe. COVID-19 is real, COVID-19 is real, COVID-19 is real. COVID-19 is real, COVID-19 is real, COVID-19 is real.
Ina da batu ko akan jama'a yau an ce stay at home ka ce no. Anya virus ka san real ce an ce ka zauna ya zama aiki kana ta batunka kana kuma raki. Ina zaka je kowa na daki haba gaye yau kasar ba aiki. Stay at home yau shine aiki. The way I talking I can be a nothing. If you want you go and thinking is the true or that you like it. You collect it or destroy it. Dan Allah wash your hand first da ka sa omo ko hand sanitizer. In za ka fita canja shigarka ka sa face mask faka koma ninja. Social distance zam tazararka. An ce stay at home ka ce wannan virus ka san ne. An ce ka zauna ya zama aiki kana tabbatin ka kana kuma raki. Ina zaka je kowa na daki haba gaye yau kasar ba aiki. Stay at home yau shine aiki.
Back in the days, we living life in the mess. We doing things big now. Our life is at risk. Quarantine yourself indeed. This virus is real. Don't ever tryna let your guy down. Just being true. You stand it and do it. Kick it back and pick it up. I remember when we just sitting on the street tryna grab more fun and we grab it. Obey the law, never go low. If you still sticking it, you go down. Mama raised me, thank God, go do. Never say, never say, never say, never say, never say, never say. You will never hit the floor. When you get up, hit it up harder. You get pick up. It's the blessing from God to get killed by the Lord. Now all the things I do, I thank nobody but Lord.
Stay home, stay home, stay home, stay safe, stay safe, stay safe. COVID-19 is real, 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 COVID-19 is real.
Na da batu ko akan jama'a yau an ce stay at home ka ce no. Wannan virus ka san ne an ce ka zauna ya zama aiki kana tabbatin ka kana kuma raki. Ina zaka je kowa na daki.